Good day guys, this is Max again. Today I'm gonna show you another crane, rough terrain crane. The one standing there is RT60, 60 tons rough terrain crane. I will show you more details when getting closer to it. It is a four-wheel crane with max driving speed of 35 km per hour. It has two axles. The first axle loading capacity is 19,475 kg, and the second axle loading capacity is 20,740 kg. Its mini ground clearance is 445 mm. 12 meters turning diameter makes it easy to work in narrow places. Its outrigger span is about 7.3 meters. Here we come to the engine part. It is equipped with China 160 kilowatt Shangchai engine, which is powerful enough to drive in the rough land like desert, forest, and swamplands. Now let me show you the boom part. Its max lifting capacity is 60 tons. It has one base boom and three sections telescopic boom. Its base boom length is 11.3 meters and fully extended boom with jib is 52.5 meters. Its max lifting height is 49.6 meters. The final part is the cabin. The cabin has an adjustable seat and safe glasses to help driver to drive better and also protect them better. Air conditioner and radio are also available. Thanks for your watching. If you have any interest, just contact us. Outrigger is always here for all your demands. Bye.